Hello, boys and girls. So this is CM MOHIT AGARWAL here, and yes, indeed, the wait is over. May 21 एग्जाम्स और जून 21 एग्जाम्स द रिवीजन टेस्ट पेपर आरटीपी इंस्टीट्यूट ने रिलीज कर दिया है. ICAI हैज रिलीज्ड ऑल द आरटीपीज ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ फाउंडेशन, इंटरमीडिएट एंड फाइनल. Now, as you know that we are the one-stop solution for all these things. So all the levels RTPs of the foundation, inter and final, you are going to get free of cost. My students are going to get free of cost. This channel viewers are going to get free of cost on this channel. So just stay tuned for all the RTP videos of our subjects. Foundation all the subjects, intermediate all the subject except accounts, and final law. So RTP will be coming out in this channel. Stay tuned to it. And just that was the news that I wanted to convey, because I have been checking the website every day that when are the May 21 RTPs coming out, and finally they have come out, and I hope that I am the first one to inform you, and I will be the first one to make sure that you cover your RTPs and MTPs very well for your exam. So all the very best and stay tuned. सब्सक्राइब कर लो भाई और बेल आइकन दबा देना. चलो बाय, RTP में मिलते हैं डिस्कशन में. बाय.